So guys, in this video, you can see right here, I'm on my trading view, and I have my indicator right here. I have my Bollinger band, and of course, I also have my RSI. But right now, I'm going to actually go back and make this chart line price action. So I'll just click on this, change the chart type to candlesticks, so you see clearly what I'm saying. Then I could as well hide the Bollinger band, just so you get a clean chart. All right, beautiful. So you can see price action moving right here. But guys, guess what? There's one important thing that you need to actually be very, very aware of, okay? The truth is that for price action, it is not just a representation of candlesticks, okay? It's a representation of people, or rather traders, making decisions, all right? Traders are actually making decisions, and that is what you see right here as price action. All right, beautiful. Now, having understood that simple concept, you do not see it anymore as candlesticks. Okay, you begin to see it as decisions of traders in the market. Okay, and what actually makes these decisions possible? Information. All right, information makes these decisions possible. How quickly the information is circulated is what makes these decisions possible. So therefore, it is a fact that momentum actually moves before the actual price action, because for there to be price, there need to be what? Decisions made, and information needs to spread. All right, so the RSI, which is actually a momentum based indicator, it's more like an oscillator, actually shows you price movement, okay? The momentum at which price moves. So, haven't you thought that it is actually better and safer when you draw your trend lines on the exact momentum itself and not the actual price action? Haven't you thought about that? Well, I've actually thought about that, if it was possible. And guess what, guys? The RSI is not just used for trading divergences. It's actually used as a major trend line indicator. All right, it's actually used as a what? Major trend line indicator. This is for facts and for real. All right, real life. So you can see right here, we had two dots, or rather 2 points right here on the RSI. I'm talking about this zone here, this zone. Watch my mouse. This zone here. We also had it on this zone where price bounced off. Also have it at this zone, and of course we also have it right here. But you can see on the price action, you may not be able to spot the third zone at which price moved, okay, which was actually a major area of confluence. All right, good. But on the RSI, you can actually find out, okay, we have three zones here, 1, 2, and of course the third one here. Price broke down, formed and gained momentum at this particular point. Watch it right here. Watch it right here. Meaning price is about to what? Plunge towards the upside from this position. All right, good. This is Ethereum, and this is Ethereum USDT, the cap of Ethereum, and it's on the 1 day time frame. All right, beautiful. 1 day time frame, guys. So how do you actually make use of this strategy? It's very simple. You just plot your trend line connecting major points, connecting major zones. All right, on the RSI itself, increase the width and the length of the RSI and plot your what? Trend line. It's very simple. I'm going to edit this right now and show you how I actually plotted this trend line. So I'll click on exit, plot your RSI, ensure you change the settings from 14 to 6, the input, change it from 14 to 6, so you get a clearer picture. All right, so I'm going to edit this right now. I'm just going to edit this, and to plot this is very simple. Click on drawing, click on trend line, ensure that you're on magnet and select strong magnets. Click on trend line, and then just can just select it right there, and then boom, you can as well edit it. All right, you can shift this and ensure it's connecting the major what lines. All right, good. So you can see right here, we already have a perfect trend line. Now you can see when price actually broke out from this trend line, from this zone, watch my mouse, from this zone right here, it went up again. So there's a high propensity that price may actually come back to retest this trend line on the RSI. Meaning as it stands, price is about to get what? Oversold. And you can see we already have a shooting star forming on the price action right here. See it? We have a shooting star forming at this particular zone right here. We have a shooting star showing that there is high selling pressure. All right, there's a major resistance right there. So guys, this is a quick hack that you can actually use to spot major areas of confluence that you can enter a trade from. Okay, by drawing your trend line directly on the RSI itself. So it's a simple setup. I've tried this, I've backtested it, and it works quite a number of times. Okay, it works over 85% of the time, if not more. It works over 90% actually, because I've backtested it and the win rate was actually very incredible. All right, it was actually very incredible. So guys, you can go ahead, backtest this on your own and ensure that you make some good profit with this simple setup. Cheers guys, love you all, peace out. By tomorrow, I'm going to be posting another video, hopefully on BTC price prediction and a couple of other strategies that can enable you to trade profitably in this space. Cheers once again, peace out, love you all. Cheers.